Now, when we start a planted tank or in the planted tank hobby, it is kind of mandatory to have some algae-eating fish, shrimp, or snails in the tank. It is very difficult to find that balance between fertilizers, the light, and the CO2. Even professional aquascapers find it really difficult to have an algae-free tank. So we take the help of the algae-eating fish to reduce the algae levels or to eat off all the excess algae in our tanks. Now, I haven't really gone for a fish today. I have selected Amano shrimp, and there are two main reasons for that. The first being algae-eating fish aren't the most beautiful fish around in the aquarium hobby. I have had Siamese algae eaters, I have had Autosynclus as well, and I really love the work they do in the planted tank. And for specific algae like maybe black-bed algae, I would obviously suggest a Siamese algae eater. But right now we're dealing with some hair algae, and I really didn't want to increase the bioload of this aquarium itself. And while adding fish, you will increase the bioload way more than while adding shrimp. Shrimp have a very small bioload, so even adding 13 of them won't really make a difference to this tank. Now, initially I did not think of adding all 13 to this tank. I wanted to add 7 to one tank and 6 to the other tank. That's the reason I have them in two separate bags. But now I've thought that I'll go ahead and add all 13 to this tank, let them finish all the algae issues in this tank, and then maybe I can remove a few later and add them or distribute them into the other scapes. So I'm going to acclimate these Amano shrimp exactly how I acclimated my discus fish or any other fish I get. I will use drip acclimation method on these Amano shrimp, and that is considered according to me as the best method of acclimation. You can float the bag in the water itself, but I've got these shrimp in the afternoon and it has stayed out in the same room temperature for a long time, so almost same temperatures, both the waters. While adding drip acclimation to your acclimation process, you ensure that both the parameters match when the fish is added to the tank. So the stress is really reduced a lot and helps the fish recover faster. And also in some cases, you can reduce mortality rate by drip acclimation. Now, this is why I love Amano shrimp. Just 5 minutes into the tank, and they've already started eating the algae off. Just in a few days, most of the algae issues in this tank will be solved, and I will be making an update video on this tank specifically. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe to Lush Aqua.